Hello everyone, kakatapos ko lang maglinis. House tour tayo ngayon. Ito yung bed namin. At saka ito yung second room. Ayan. Maliit lang ang bahay namin guys. Pero at least malinis naman. Ito yung bathroom. Maliit lang guys. Pero okay lang yun. At least may bahay, di ba? Yung second room hindi ko na ipakita kasi wala dyan si Megan. Ito yung living room namin where we hang out a lot. We watch TV here. Guys, and here is our second living room where we hang out with our visitors here. Yung computer room hindi ko na lang ipakita guys. At dito tayo sa kitchen. Yan ang kitchen namin. Maliit lang. At least may bahay. Yun. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.